Hello dear friend, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can recover your deleted contact number in your Android device. Okay, so we know that when we create a number or when we save a number, okay, I'll show you the process. For example, we type randomly number, then create contact. Then here you can see this is our Gmail account. Okay, save to Gmail account. So when you save your number, then it's gonna to um, Gmail, under Gmail account. Okay, write something, then save. Okay, this is save. Okay, so after that we have to go to contact. Maybe you deleted some contact number, so here you can see, okay, two number under this Gmail account. So if we delete it, okay, I will delete two number, a name and b name, move to trash, or you can see the delete option. It's very Android phone. Okay, so how can you recover this time? Okay, so go to your browser. You can use any browser. So in this video I'm using Google Chrome. So this is Google Chrome, and you have to go to google.com. Okay, google.com. So this is our account, and choose your ID. Okay, I'll choose this ID because I have more email ID, so I saved to contact under this ID. Okay, so after that, here you can see the option some dot. Okay, so click on this, and here you can see a lot of Google products. So we need to go to contact. Okay, here you can see option the contact, this one contact. Click on this, and after few seconds you will see the option, but we need to go. Here you can see the three dot line. Okay, so click on this, scroll down, and here you can see the last one. Here you can see the option trash. Click on this, and here you can see the two names here. Okay, b name and a name. So there is a important point here, contact that have been in trash more than 30 days. Okay, so you can only recover any number within 30 days. So when the 30 days crossed, then you will not able to recover your number in this method. Okay, so friend, I hope. Okay, so there is any problem. So how can you recover this? Just select two number, and here you can see the option a recovery. Just go to recovery, and it will go to your contact list again. Okay friend, today is no more, and I hope this video was helpful.